Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today we are going to be organizing my makeup collection and I'm going to show you my new little item that's going to help me organize my makeup. I have done a makeup collection video in the past. If you have not seen that, I will put it in the description box below so you can easily click over there and or click down there and go and check that video out. I basically put everything in a basket, but now I just bought this little organizer thing. So yeah, I got this from Ross not too long ago. I will also have my past TJ Maxx videos in the description box below too, because I do a TJ Maxx and Ross haul once a week. Pretty much every Sunday I upload. If you want to see what all I see at TJ Maxx and Ross, then you can check out that. But yeah, I got this at Ross not too long ago and it's going to help me organize my makeup. So let's get started. I kind of have a plan for this to be my everyday products drawer. What the heck is this? Oh, my daughter must already put something in it. Okay, so that's where my e.l.f. setting spray went. And she put a perfume sample in here. Smells really good. Anyway, so I have a plan. This will be my everyday makeup. And then maybe eyes, face, lips. And then miscellaneous. So let's do that. Everything in this basket is pretty much going to be eyes, lips, face, and maybe miscellaneous. All my everyday makeup is going to be on my filming desk, so I'll just leave that for right now. This would be kind of like the junk drawer, but I also kind of go in it a lot. So let's just pull it out. The first thing I have is a e.l.f. Brush cleaner, so I guess I'm going to put this on the bottom drawer for miscellaneous. Smashbox Cali Contour Palette, face, so it'll be face. No, eyes, face, lips. It's not eyes, so it's face. The Smashbox Primerizer, this is face. The Virginic face powder, this is face. Smashbox Hood Witch eyeshadow palette. Smashbox the Hood Witch Cover Shot Crystallized eyeshadow palette, and that will be eyes. This goes to my shadow switch, so I'll put this on the bottom. This is the Kat Von D Shade and Light blush. So that'll be face. The Tarte Man Eater Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, eyes. Smashbox Foundation, face. This is the Burt's Bees blush in the color Toasted Cinnamon, which is face. This is Eyes LA Girl, or LA Colors 5 color matte eyeshadow, and this is Natural Linen. Yeah, Natural Linen. That's Eyes. Okay, I got 3 lip products. I have the Smashbox Be Legendary Pucker Up Lipstick Palette, which is lips. Then I have the, whatever this brand is, product, matte color shiny balm lip crayon, lips, and the CAUSEMETICS lip cloud lips. So I consider my concealer as a face product because it's mostly supposed to be for your under eyes, but I do use this for an eye product for like a cut crease or eyeshadow primer or something like that. So, but I'm going to put it in face anyway. So this is my Smashbox concealer, my LA Colors Highlight and Contour Palette, which I've never opened yet. And then the Obsession Mixer Darkening, it's Makeup London. I don't know. It's a, you put it in there when your foundation's too light. So this would be all face. These are all eyes. It's the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Love this palette so much. Then the LA Girls Conceal Correct. This is more like an eyeshadow primer for me. I don't know what it's really for, but that's what I use it for. And then the NYX Pigment Primer. Also eyes. This is all face products, but I need to actually put this, which is a mask, in my bathroom collection, I guess. Like face care. Yeah. I have the Smashbox Hydrating Perfecting Powder. So that is not eyes, that is face. And then I have the Burt's Bees Blush in Bare Peach, also face. This is face. It's the Yes To Cotton Comforting Facial Wipes. This needs to be thrown away. This will be face. It is the, I can't pronounce this for my life half the time. Cosmopolitan. Yeah, so it's facial sponges. Infused blending sponges with argan oil. I don't see how they're infused, but 3 makeup sponges, face. I have the Broken Up Bronzy Shimmer palette. Is the Bronzy Brunch. It's a highlighter, but this is really dark highlighter. But that is face. Eyes. It is the Smashbox Full Exposure. Oh my gosh. Smashbox Primerizer. I'm gonna go ahead and make this quicker for you guys and just kind of show you, but also hurry up and put this in my drawers. All right, that is pretty much it. I put everything in there. So I want to clean off the top of this after I get done filming. And yeah, so I can put my everyday things in this drawer. I have my eyes in this drawer, but of course I do have more products in my collection. I just use those more daily. So there's my eyes. So much more organized. I'm so happy. This is my face products. These are my lips. As you can tell, I'm not too into lips too much, but that's my lip products. And then there's my miscellaneous. So you got to see what all products I have in this little thing. Like I said, that collection video, you can look in the description box to see the playlist of, or not the playlist, the video of that makeup collection. Everything is the same since that video. And then I also have your TJ or my TJ Maxx videos in the description box on the playlist link. That way you can see where I've got a lot of these products, including this, which this is not from TJ Maxx, but it's Ross, which I do the TJ Maxx Ross on the same video. I just call it TJ Maxx videos because that's where most of my viewers seem to be interested in. But yeah, I got a bunch of stuff to clean off the top. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this. Y'all did request me to film my makeup organization. Here it is. Instead of the basket is in here, and now I can easily see what products I want to use next in the drawers. I'm really happy with it. Yeah, leave me comments of more video suggestions so I can do more videos for you guys in the comment section below. And don't forget about the 3K giveaway that I got going on. It's international and it doesn't end until I hit that 3K mark. And also the US only July makeup giveaway. It is a Thrive Cosmetics CC Cream Foundation. All you have to do is tell me your shade and you'll be entered as long as you put your shade in that video. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!